like a geezer. Feel yourself a crack.
All right, Sally. You can go ahead and turn that record off now. Hello, all you young whippersnappers. It is I, Grandpapa Papa, back once again, and I am cold as the dickens. I am freezing my whiskers off out here. This winter is no joke, I tell you. But look, all the people right here in my neck of the woods, they worried about this possible upcoming snowstorm. They worried about a possible blizzard coming up through here. But folks, I have not seen and felt a good snow in ages. It's been quite a while, I tell you. But today I want to talk to y'all about them olden days of blizzards. How did I used to deal with snow back in my day? Well, you see, back many years ago, there was a particular reason why milk and bread became so useful in a snowstorm. Everybody these days, they want to get all uppity and say, oh, let's rush to the store, get all the bread we can, let's get all the milk we can. And a lot of you young whippersnappers may be wondering why that is. Well, it all started many eons ago, something like that. And back then, we had a little bit of an infestation in our area. You see, many years ago, we used to deal with these things called Yetis. Yes, they were Yetis, or they could have just been gigantic folks dressed up in winter clothing, just like giant folks about 7 or 8 feet tall, something like that. But anyway, yes, I believe in Bigfoot, and Bigfoot is just Sasquatch covered in snow. Okay, so let's put that out there. Now, back in my day, we had to go out there into the woods where we would keep our cows, because there was hiding out there. We knew if the Sasquatch came and found our cows on the farm, they would end up taking them away and trying to eat them whole. That wasn't going to work. We had to hide them out in the woods somewhere. So once we knew the snow was coming, we knew that the Yetis would be on the way. So my mama, she would send me out to go get milk straight from the cow's udder, hiding right out there in the middle of the woods. Alright? So I went out there to go get as much milk as I can, because I knew that it would be useful when the snow hits. But then we also needed to get some bread as well. Alright? So we got enough bread as we can, but the milk was not for drinking. And the bread, it was not for eating either. You see, what we would have to do was we would have to leave the milk and the bread outside. Let it freeze solid. That's because the milk and the bread, they were good weapons of ice destruction against the possible Yeti invasion. That's right. Once those big Yetis came knocking on our door, we would be able to take the whole loaf of bread, frozen, not sliced, and just whack them upside the noggin. And the milk was actually a way to convince the snow to go away. You see, some of you may not know this, but snow gets very self-conscious. It does. And once the cold snow falls, they see that there's already some cold white stuff there in the form of the milk. So the snow would feel embarrassed hogging up all the space of the milk. The snow would have to leave a lot quicker because it's embarrassed to be in the presence of the milk. The milk is white, check. The snow is white, check. The milk is cold, check. The snow is cold, check. But the snow is embarrassed because the milk was there first. That's right. That's exactly why we're doing it these days. Alright, so yes, once the snow keeps falling, some people out there may think it's cool. But moral of the story is this. Brrr! Have a good day.